Welcome! Is the audio on your Google TV or Google Chromecast not matching up with the video? Understanding how to fix audio not in sync with video on Google TV or Google Chromecast can make your streaming experience a delight rather than a frustration. In this guide, we'll explore some practical steps to help you harmonize your audio and video, ensuring you get to enjoy your favorite shows and movies without any sync issues. Step 1. Check your connection. The first step in resolving audio sync issues is to ensure your connections are secure and stable. Make sure your Google Chromecast or Google TV device is properly connected to both your TV and audio system. If you're using an external sound system, such as a soundbar or home theater, check that all cables are correctly plugged in and that your device is not experiencing any interruptions or weak signals. Step 2. Restart your devices. Sometimes all it takes is a simple restart. Power off your Google TV or Chromecast, your television, and your audio system. Wait a minute before turning them back on. This can refresh your device's systems and clear out any minor issues that might be causing the audio lag. Step 3. Update your software. Old software can often cause technical issues. Ensure your Google TV or Chromecast device, as well as any sound equipment, is running on the latest firmware. To check for updates, navigate to the device's settings and look for a software update option. Regular updates can bring new features, fixes, and improvements that may solve audio sync problems. Step 4. Adjust audio settings. One handy trick is to tweak your audio settings. On your Google TV, go to Settings, Display and Sound, Audio, and experiment with options like lip sync or delay correction. If your sound system has a similar feature, adjust it there as well. These settings allow you to manually align audio with video, ensuring smooth playback. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections typically provide a more stable and faster data flow compared to Wi-Fi and can reduce the latency that causes audio-video sync issues. Step 6. Try lowering the stream quality. If you're streaming content in high definition or 4K and experiencing sync issues, consider lowering the quality temporarily. High-resolution streams require more bandwidth, which might strain your connection and create delay. Step 7. Reset to factory settings. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. This should be your last resort, as it will erase your customized settings. Navigate to your device's settings and find the reset option. Follow the instructions to complete the process and then set up your device again as a new one. And there you have it. Fixing audio not in sync with video on Google TV or Google Chromecast is easier than you might think. By checking connections, updating software, adjusting settings, and more, you can resolve these frustrating sync issues. Remember, technology should enhance your entertainment experience, not hinder it. Take these steps with caution, and you'll have your audio and video perfectly in sync, ensuring you never miss a beat or a line of your favorite shows or movies. Enjoy a seamless streaming experience, and happy watching.